Active stocks for Monday, the 15th of September 2025, pre-market session. We have CHEK, IHT, and ATCH. We'll begin with CHEK, up 162.77%. Intraday high in this session at some point, $2.5. The company indicated on Friday's post-market session that it has entered a definitive merger agreement with MBody AI, an embodied artificial intelligence company. The deal will create a combined company focusing on AI for the autonomous workforce. The combined company will continue CHEK research and development activities and holds its legacy assets, consisting primarily of patents and proprietary medical equipment. After the close of the deal, current Embody AI shareholders would own 90% of the issued and outstanding shares of the combined company, while current CHEK shareholders would own only 10%. Okay, amongst other things. Okay, also the CHEK also had an agreement with Apollo Technology Capital, and it's going to be terminated if the merger is approved. Okay, yeah, that's still that news. I think that has to be what is behind this because it was announced in the post-market session, so it has spilled through into this pre-market session. So it got a rejection. We know that already, $2.5. Yeah, and however, the strength is still expected to remain in place, or at least up till an hour and a half before the regular session of today opens. So for today's trading session up till Wednesday, it's a contraction of this expansion that is, as a matter of fact, going extra expansion contraction is expected to ultimately remain in place up till Wednesday the 24th. Yeah. So as you can probably clearly see, everything is in a strong. The 10 and 21 period moving average on this. These are the 200 and the 40 period moving averages. Let's see. Yeah, everything is strongly bullish. Yeah, everything's strongly bullish. The people that opened their positions earlier on when stock was at 0.6684 and even lower, yeah, those people are now in profit. So a lot of shares have been opened up late, yeah, and yes, it's changing a lot of things right now, as you can easily imagine. Yeah, projections we have 2.5 currently. It's saying downward projections 0.1 0.146, 0.1046, 0.2060, 0.3702. Yeah, okay. Let's have a look at IHT. IHT up 100%, intraday high in this session, 7.66. Yeah, okay. No news out there, so higher prices are expected to remain in place up till the close of tomorrow, the 16th. No guarantee that that will be the case. Then after that, we might go into a contraction. Up projections are saying more to the downside, 1.02, 1.18, 1.43. But we've seen $7 already, 7.66. That's not a calculated projection. It is a price action determined projection. Price action is established projection. Price pressure momentum is here strongly bullish. However, we have negative derivatives indicating that the acceleration is losing steam. It's facing resistance. Yes, it faced resistance at that 7.66. So it has affected this current price right now. It has affected it. It has affected the price pressure momentums, or they have registered that rejection. They have registered the resistance that the stock is facing. Yeah. Obviously, new positions have been opened right now. That is what is behind the strength we're looking at right now. And old positions are now in profit as things stand right now. So let's just see how things go. We'll just jump into the next ATCH. ATCH up 72.51%, intraday high 0.79. Let's see. ATCH. Okay, high prices are expected to remain in place at least up till the close of Tuesday's trading session. Lower prices are expected to be okay. Down projection 0.2964. However, we have a price action established projection of 0.79. So that's an upper projection. Price pressure momentums are severely bearish. No, no, not strongly bullish. Strongly bullish. Prices, the positions opened at lower prices are now doing very well. And yeah, given the aggression that is currently in place right now, so new positions opened. Yeah, new positions. A lot of buying taking place right now. A lot of buying in a very short time taking place, and old positions bought at lower prices, obviously doing well. So let's see whether we can validate this upper projection of 0.79. Let's see where we have validated 0.7. Yeah, we have 0.7845, 0.7718. We have 0.7426, 0.7839, 0.8093. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So this is not a fluke. We didn't need to validate it, but they've done it anyway. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. 0.7460, 0.8224. Okay. Let's see what's going on with these stocks and in the markets, how active they are trading. This is a penny stock. One should expect a lot of shares to be crossing the tape, or should be very active rather. Yeah, it looks quite active. Yes, it looks quite active, and I don't know how liquid. Maybe not as liquid. Okay, we're looking at the wrong price. Okay, not so liquid. Let's see what we have for IHT. Let's see how it's going on with IHT. Okay, 3 points. It's looking a lot more liquid here. Okay, let's have a look at ATCH. I think we've seen that already. Okay, we need to see CEHK, CHEK, CHEK. Okay, 189. Yeah. Okay, it's looking quite liquid. Okay, see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.